if you're coming from a place of anxiety, fear, lack, this kind of place, then because it feels a certain way. So it's not the action itself, it's the place that you're coming from that we're really interested in today. This is what I sometimes distinguish between how we think life works and how life actually works. Because there's all sorts of myths that we live in about how we think life works. When you're your best self, when you are who you want to be all the time, then challenges are manageable. Challenges, you can learn lessons from challenges. And this was a game changer for me. It took everything I knew that I'd studied in psychology, almost everything I knew from studying spirituality, and put them together. And I thought, this is it. Pure beingness. Or we can be living life through a story, through our beliefs. And they're two incompatible states. You can't have both in any one moment. And I would say that possibility is actually what we all want. That's what gives us zest, that's what gives us meaning, that's what gives us aliveness.
I'm beginning to feel that sense of transformation that's occurring within myself.
But what if who we are isn't as concrete and fixed as we previously thought?
Definitely feel more brave, ready to take on some new challenges, and I'm really looking forward to sharing some of the ideas with my friends and families.
What if actually we invent ourselves and we continually have the opportunity to reinvent ourselves?
Chris clearly knows a lot, and because he's an expert coach and trainer, he shares that with you so that you can truly, he allows you to truly transform yourself.
It's more of an experience and getting out of the head and just unpeeling the layers and finding yourself. Basically allowing yourself to be you, and then without all of the conditioning. It's amazing reminder, invitation.
And I feel like even after day one, I've got a clearer idea of where I need to head with my life.
Whereas what we want is presence and focus.